Welcome to our tutorial on how to share your new school journey on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Start by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to begin creating a new post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options available. 4. Choose Education from the list of life events. 5. Select New School to announce your transition to a different educational institution. 6. Add the name of your new school and the date of when you started to mark this exciting chapter in your academic life. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Utilize the audience selector to decide who you want to share this update with, whether it's friends, family, or a specific group. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to inform your Facebook connections about your new school experience. By following these steps, you can celebrate your educational milestones and keep your social circle updated on your academic journey. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in explaining how to post about your new school on Facebook. Share your educational progress and achievements with your Facebook community by following these simple steps. Stay connected and engaged with your network as you embark on this new chapter in your educational path.